If you'd like to learn how to make this really good moist potato salad, keep watching to learn how I make it. First, you're going to want to get 2 celery stalks and chop them into fine little pieces. And once you're done chopping them up, you're going to just put them in a bowl and set them to the side. Then you're going to get a half of onion with the hairy side off to the back side. You're going to start slicing the onion sideways, and then it makes it easy to chop perfectly individual little slices of onion. And when you're done cutting the onion, you're going to want to just put that into a bowl. You're going to want to have 2 strained, sliced cans of olives. You add those to the onions. Then you're going to get a measuring cup and you're going to put in 1 cup of mayonnaise. And after putting a full cup of mayonnaise, you're going to squeeze in just 2 good squeezes of mustard. If you don't like mustard, you don't have to do the mustard part. Then you're going to want to have 15 approximately peeled golden potatoes soaking in water so they don't turn brown. You're going to start boiling some water. I like to add a tablespoon of salt so it flavors the potatoes. While the water's boiling, you're going to dice the potatoes into 1/2-inch quarter pieces. And once the water starts to boil, you're going to add the potatoes into the water. And then you're going to get 5 eggs. I like using farm fresh, cage-free eggs. And you make sure you put them with the potatoes and make sure they're all completely covered with water so they cook evenly. And after the eggs have been cooking for about 7 minutes, you're going to want to take just the eggs out while the potatoes still cook. And you'll know that the potatoes are done cooking when you pick one of the bigger chunks up and poke it with a fork, and if it breaks, they're done. You can peel the eggs while the potatoes are finishing cooking. Next, you're going to get your mixture ready. You're going to have your celery, your olives, your onions. You're going to add a tablespoon of ground pepper, 2 tablespoons of granulated garlic, 2 tablespoons of dill, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And you're going to mix it all together really good. And after you've strained your potatoes and they've cooled down a bit, add your mixture to your potatoes. And then you're going to add your mayonnaise and your mustard to your potatoes. Well, first you want to add your eggs. And I like using my hands with a glove so I could crunch the eggs up. And I also like using the glove because I like mixing everything together with my hands so I can feel if there's any giant chunks. I can break them down. I just start out mixing with a spoon just to get the mayonnaise under control so it's not so messy. But yeah, you just want to keep mixing it around and finding any big potato chunks and trying to squish them. Also eggs, so you get it all really mixed together really well. And that's why it helps to use your hand, because you can't really feel potatoes with a spoon. So what makes it really nice and moist and creamy is breaking down those giant chunks of potato. And after everything is really nice and mixed and broken down and looks evenly spread out, your potato salad will be done. And it should look like this. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to see more, please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.